Hi folks, today I present to you Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro 5G. The smartphone comes with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal memory. It is dual SIM and has no memory card slot. In the phone box does not have a silicone cover. It has a USB Type-C cable and the 67-watt charging adapter. It has a simple but elegant design. The phone has a glass front and back, and the frame is made of aluminum. The screen is old technology with 120 refresh rate, responsive, fluid. The processor Dimensity 1080 won't win any awards, but the system and multitasking feels very good. Main camera sensor is pretty good, takes some beautiful shots and charging is very quick. The SIM tray is dual SIM and is located at the bottom of the phone. The fingerprint of the phone is on the power button. And the phone does not have a headphone jack. Overall, it's a pretty good phone. For the price you can buy it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe. It would help me a lot to grow this channel. Have a nice day and see you on next video.